Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The trouble codes DTC C1249-12 and DTC C124A-12 relate to issues in the electric vacuum pump system of the Honda Civic 2022 and later models. DTC C1249-12 indicates that there is a short circuit in the power line to the electric vacuum pump motor, which is crucial for brake assist by providing additional vacuum when needed. Conversely, DTC C124A-12 signifies there is a short circuit in the minus line of the vacuum pump motor. Both codes indicate that the electric vacuum pump control unit has detected this abnormality and logged the corresponding error code. Understanding these errors is essential for maintaining the vehicle's braking system performance and safety. The electric vacuum pump is typically located beneath the hood, near the brake booster, and is connected to the control unit through a network of wiring. Successful diagnosis and resolution of these codes are imperative for optimal vehicle operation. DTC C1249-12 specifies a fault where the vacuum pump motor power line has shorted to the power line. This functional component serves to provide additional brake vacuum assist, which is crucial for enhancing braking performance, particularly in situations where engine vacuum is insufficient. DTC C124A-12 indicates an issue with the vacuum pump motor minus line shorting to the power line. This component, located near the brake booster, processes vital signals from the electric vacuum pump control unit, enabling effective operation of the brake system. If there is a short in either line, the control unit will log these codes, indicating potential failures that need to be addressed immediately to ensure the vehicle operates safely and efficiently. Several possible causes exist for DTC C1249-12 and DTC C124A-12. One of the most common causes is damage to the wiring harness, which can lead to shorts if the insulation is compromised. This could occur due to wear and tear or environmental factors. Another potential cause is a faulty electric vacuum pump itself, which may have internal malfunctions leading to abnormal current flow. Lastly, corrosion at electrical connectors is also a potential contributor. It can impede proper electrical flow, resulting in miscommunication between the pump and the control unit, thus triggering these diagnostic trouble codes. The symptoms associated with DTC C1249-12 and C124A-12 can significantly impact vehicle performance. Drivers may experience noticeable braking performance issues, as the electric vacuum pump is responsible for supplying additional vacuum when engine vacuum is low. As a result, there could be an increased effort required to apply the brakes effectively. Additionally, dashboard warning lights may illuminate, alerting the driver to anomalies within the brake assist system. Such symptoms signal an urgent need for diagnosis and repair, as they can compromise vehicle safety and functionality. The first step in troubleshooting DTC C1249-12 and C124A-12 involves initializing the vehicle's electrical system. Begin by turning the vehicle to the on mode. This action powers up the vehicle's electrical circuits and allows the electric vacuum pump control unit to perform diagnostics. Once the vehicle indicates it's in the on mode, the next step is to switch it to the off mode and wait for approximately 2 seconds. This brief pause allows the control unit to reset and accurately assess the vacuum pump's inputs and outputs. It is essential for eliminating any transient errors that might come from previous states. Once this cycle is completed, proceed to the next phase of troubleshooting. In this step, the focus shifts to inspecting the external circuit. Begin by evaluating the wiring for VBAT, IG1, Motor Plus, and Motor Minus lines. You will need to visually check for signs of wear, fraying, or damage that may indicate a short. Faulty wiring can lead to erroneous feedback to the control unit, which can trigger the trouble codes in question. This step is critical as it ensures that the external circuit is functional. Also, use a multimeter for continuity testing to confirm each connection's integrity. Ensuring there are no shorts in the wiring is vital for diagnosing the root cause of the detected issues. After examining the wiring, the next crucial step involves inspecting the electric vacuum pump itself. Disconnect the electric vacuum pump's electrical connector to facilitate a functional test. Using a multimeter, measure the pump's resistance and ensure it falls within the manufacturer's specified range. This measurement will determine if the electric vacuum pump is functioning correctly or if it has failed internally. Furthermore, ensure that all connections are tight and free from corrosion. Improper connections can lead to sporadic failures or limitations in the operational capacity of the vacuum pump, necessitating further action if defects are identified. Once repairs have been executed, it's essential to conduct a final verification procedure to ensure the issues have been resolved. Start by reconnecting all components to their respective locations, confirming that every connection is secure. Following this, clear the diagnostic trouble codes, DTCs, from the electric vacuum pump system using Honda's diagnostic software. This action removes the previously stored codes, allowing you to evaluate if the system operates normally without triggering new DTCs. Finally, a test drive is essential for checking that the braking function is restored and that no warning lights activate. Successful completion of this verification process will affirm that the troubleshooting and repair actions were effective. Preventive maintenance is vital for the sustained performance and reliability of the electric vacuum pump system. Regularly conduct routine inspections of the wiring harness and connections to prevent potential issues before they escalate. It's advisable to clean connectors periodically, as dirt and corrosion can accumulate, obstructing electrical flow and leading to faults. Additionally, monitor the performance of the electric vacuum pump during routine vehicle checks. Keeping abreast of any changes in braking performance can help detect issues early, allowing for timely interventions that can mitigate larger problems down the line. In summary, understanding the meanings and implications of DTC C1249-12 and DTC C1249-12 is crucial for maintaining the safety and efficiency of the Honda Civic 2022 and onward models. Following the outlined inspection steps during troubleshooting ensures that potential issues are identified systematically and effectively. As repair and verification are completed, implementing prescribed preventive measures can further enhance the reliability of the electric vacuum pump system. Regular checks not only prolong the component's lifespan, but also safeguard against unexpected failures that could affect vehicle operation. Ultimately, diligence in both immediate repairs and long-term maintenance fosters a safer driving experience. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.